Hello everyone, my name is Shrirup Ikare, roll number 2001210048. This is the project 1 of ME 110 course. In this project, we are going to make casting of a material having low melting point. For this, first we are going to make a mold and then pour the liquid wax which we are going to use as a casting material to obtain our final product. So for this project, I have taken a water. This is plaster of Paris, a bowl, a tray in which we are going to mix water and plaster of Paris. I have taken this object. This is the object that we are going to use for casting, and I have taken wax. This is solid wax. We are going to melt it first and then solidify it again to obtain the final product. Wax is used as the casting material and plaster of Paris is used as a mold material. So let's start. Now first we will make the mold. So now I have taken plaster of Paris in this bowl. We are going to mix plaster of Paris and water in this tray. The optimum ratio of the mixture of water and plaster of Paris is 40 is to 60. Also, the temperature of water should not be very low. It should be at least greater than 20 degrees Celsius. Now we have mixed plaster of Paris and water, and the semi-solid material is ready. We will wait for few minutes for the viscosity to increase a little bit so that we can keep our object in this. Now we are going to put our this object in this. Now we will remove our object. So let's see whether our mold is ready. So as you can see, our mold is ready. Now we will wait for a few minutes for this to solidify perfectly so that we will put our liquid wax in it. Till then we will melt this solid wax. Now we have taken this casting material, that is solid wax. Now we are going to melt this. We are going to pour this liquid wax in our mold. We have taken the solidified wax out of the mold, and this, it is ready. It is quite delicate. Now I am going to cut the extra wax along these edges to make proper finishing.